This 2014 Buick Encore is brought to you by Chazone Auto Brokers, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Buick is powered by front-wheel drive, automatic transmission, Ecotec i4 inline 4-cylinder engine, and has 113,871 miles. Discover your perfect ride. 2014 Buick Encore, style, comfort, and reliability await you. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.